Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And Alexa, thank you so much for my return supporters. Love you guys, thank you for coming back and support me. So today's video we're going to be creating this makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be, this is like a pretty, I would say, sultry look you can wear for any occasion, Valentine's Day or any other occasion that you want to look pretty. Alright, and you let me know down in the comment below if you would like to try this look. Alright, so let's jump into this video so this video don't get so long. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're going to moisturize the skin. I'm gonna use this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Now we're going to prime, and for prime I'm gonna use this by Terry Brightening CC Serum. Alright, so skin is prepared. Now I'm going to add, now we're gonna go with foundation. And for foundation we have this Conceal Perfect from Milani. I love this foundation, super affordable and give you a great coverage with flawless finish. I'm gonna leave the concealer for after we do the eye makeup. Alright, so we're gonna use some tape for this look. Perfect. So I'm going to use this palette, ABH Norvina Collection. This is the orange one. And for this look we're gonna use a brown. First we're gonna need a blending brush, a little bit. We're going to do the same thing on the side. Alright, now that we have our transition shade down, we can remove the tape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a concealer brush, and I am going to use this, and I'm just gonna clean up a little bit in the place where the next shadow gonna go. Alright, so now we're gonna go to a second shade. For second shade I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty palette, and we're gonna go in with this lighter shade here, then we go with this pearl shade on the top. So now we're going to do mascara. I'm gonna pop in my lashes and I'll be right back with the lashes and eyeliner. Alright guys, so I did my eyeliner and put in my lashes. So now we're just gonna conceal. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer, blush, and lips. Alright, so concealer, we're gonna go back with the Maybelline eraser. And I'm just going to add here. Now I'm just going to blend everything. My lips is super dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit of lip injection. Okay, so now we're gonna add some bronzer, give some color to this face and scoop a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this iconic London bronzer. So now we just need a little bit of blush and lips. I'm gonna go with the pinkish one here. Alright guys, so now we're just going to add some lips. I think I'm gonna go pink with the lips. Alright, so now we're just going to set everything in place. So now I'm just going to use these Too Faced Makeup Insurance 18 Hours Wear setting powder, and the setting powder is amazing. Long wear setting spray, and this also is good for blue light defense. So if you're looking for a good setting spray with blue light defense, this one definitely is a great option for you. Alright, so this is all for our date night look or Valentine's Day look, or any kind of special makeup occasion that you have, that you want a look that's pretty, not so much overdone. This is definitely one. So you let me know down in the comment below if you guys love this look as much as I did, and I'll see you guys next video. Love you, bye.